Oil failed to rise above the previous week's highs. The situation remained unchanged, with the Brent crude still trading at around $78 per barrel. Brent crude futures continue to drift near the 78 mark amid subdued speculative activity. From a technical point of view, the key levels are still $82 per barrel for a bull case scenario and $74 per barrel for a bear case scenario. A flat market trend will end only when the price stays firm beyond one of these levels. Judging by the news, the most likely scenario suggests a decline. Libya's largest state-owned oil company field resumed production after a three-week shutdown caused by political protests. Meanwhile, investors remain concerned about possible supply disruptions in the Middle East as the Houthis continue to attack shipping in the Red Sea. A Pentagon official said that the United States would continue to take military action to prevent further attacks. As for positive factors, both the International Energy Agency and the OPEC forecasts strong growth in a global oil demand this year due to strong fundamentals. However, the market situation is expected to remain unchanged until the European Central Bank board meeting on Thursday. Thus, oil will likely move in the range of $78 to $80 per barrel. In the meantime, gold is trying to pull back to $2,020 per troy ounce. However, it will hardly dip below this mark. Most likely, the yellow metal will start trading sideways at around $2,030 per troy ounce amid increased risk of sentiment ahead of the ECB's meeting. If the regulator announces its plans for monetary policy easing, gold will gain upside momentum. Now let's move on to the Russian currency. On a Friday, the dollar unexpectedly fell below 88 rubles. Moreover, the market quickly returned to that area after a slight correction, and such a steep rally in the ruble indicates the remaining growth potential of the Russian currency, which even excludes a short-term return to 90 rubles per dollar. At the same time, the central bank's extremely tight monetary policy hurting the economy limits the ruble's upside potential, and thus Friday's rise can be seen as an accident. Oddly enough, it's the Bank of Russia that is currently contributing to the ruble's advance. More precisely, the currency is gaining ground under expectations that the regulator is probably done raising interest rates and will soon start cutting them. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.